Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video I'm going to show you how to do an autumnal design using just gel polish. So I'm going to work on a tip today. I'm going to use Carbonair, not cabinet. And I'll also use butterscotch.
Yeah.
Could
just do with some butterscotch or, well,
just butter. So I'm going to do 2 coats of Carbonair. Cure each layer. What I'm going to do now is use the butterscotch and eat it all. There we go. I'm going to take some of the butterscotch and then we're going to take some blooming gel. And we are going to wait for that to drip. Oh, dear. And we're going to mix.
You can mix them together.
Going to mix those together.
It's a new way of using it.
It is. Now I'm going to eat it. No, do not eat gel polish. It's not for human consumption or any other animal. Then we're going to put a layer of blooming gel over the top of the Carbonair.
Now I'm confused.
Oh, it doesn't take much to get you confused, Adam. Then I'm going to use the 0002 brush. Load it up with that little mixture we've done. Then I'm going to go on and pull, on and pull. Each time I'm going back into the colour we've mixed. So by mixing it with the blooming gel, it makes it a softer colour, and that's what I wanted. And I want it to bloom and do that whole moving, melting thing. Just bursting those little bubbles. And I'm going to pop that into the lamp. So I'm going to wipe off that sticky layer, because blooming gel has a sticky layer. And then we're going to use butterscotch on its own. We're not going to mix anything into it, we're just using it on its own. This way actually, and we're going to do a similar design, but this time it's really crisp and sharp. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. Then I'm going to do a similar pattern up here. and cure. Now, I'm going to create a border around the edge. I'm actually going to use a different colour. I was going to use butterscotch, but I feel like it needs a bit of sparkle. This colour is one of my favourites at the minute. I have no idea what it's called, but it should be called Sex in a Bottle. It's that nice. Just look at that. Oh, it's just, and it's so pigmented. I can't tell you how pigmented it is. It's amazing. Watch this. It's amazing, this stuff is. So I'm going to pick it up and frame this nail. Look at that colour. That's some next level stuff right there. I'm going to cure that. I am going to put a little bit of bling on that now, just to finish it off. It is a simple design. When you break it down, it's a simple design. I love this bit in the background. I think it really adds depth to it.
It's like a shadow.
So,
it gives it sort of a leather look.
Does it? Oh yeah, like a Chesterfield leather. A little bit of aqua gel there, just for the stones to adhere to. And our top coat. So you don't cure the aqua gel until you put the top coat on. Cure that. Looks nice, doesn't it? There you go, guys. I hope you like it too, just as much as I do. A little autumnal design for you, just in gel polish. Everything I've used today will be listed below, as it always is. And don't forget to check us out in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.